Hello again, it's Tony from the Engineer Team Network. Just a public warning, no one should be working on boilers unless the gas safe registered and are qualified to do so. So that's the end of public warning. This boiler today is a Worcester 28i Junior RSF. I'm just going to go over some common problems with the boiler. First one, on this particular boiler we've got a pump problem. This is the pump here, that's gone and it's causing the boiler to overheat. Now we'll just look inside the boiler, just move this panel out of the way. So some other parts on this boiler, you've got the gas valve, which is here. This part here, this is the hot water sensor, that's for sensing the hot water. At the back there we've got the pressure relief valve, that red thing there, that's a pressure relief valve here. That's a connecting pipe going from the back of the pump. We've got the pressure gauge here. Also we've got, if you just put this back here, this is the front control panel. Things what go problematic with this boiler is the PCB, which is located inside. You've got the timer, which is here. Up here you've got the fan unit. They go faulty as well, the fans, the air pressure switch. That's that bit there. You've also got a water pressure sensing switch, which is here. And at the back there you've got the overheat thermostat, which is out the back. Behind this panel here you've got the main burner, which is here. And you've also got the electrode, smart electrode there. At the back here you've got the flame sensing electrode at the back of the burner. So that's the main components of this particular boiler. Oh, incidentally, before I go, there's one more part I've just missed off. At the back here you've got the hot water flow sensor that detects the movement of water to start the boiler in hot water mode. So that's it for now. So thank you for watching and listening. Hope to see you soon.